Hi, kids. Today, we're going to learn all about plumber tools. A plumber is a person who fixes and installs pipes, taps, and drains to make sure water flows where it's needed. Let's look at some tools a plumber uses to do their job. Wrench. W-R-E-N-C-H, wrench. Pipe cutter. P-I-P-E-C-U-T-T-E-R, pipe cutter. Plunger. P-L-U-N-G-E-R, plunger. Pipe wrench. P-I-P-E-W-R-E-N-C-H, pipe wrench. Tape measure. T-A-P-E-M-E-A-S-U-R-E, tape measure. Teflon tape. T-E-F-L-O-N-T-A-P-E, Teflon tape. Hacksaw. H-A-C-K-S-A-W, hacksaw. Pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S, pliers. Basin wrench. B-A-S-I-N-W-R-E-N-C-H, basin wrench. Drain snake. D-R-A-I-N-S-N-A-K-E, drain snake. Pipe bender. P-I-P-E-B-E-N-D-E-R, pipe bender. Level. L-E-V-E-L, level. Plumber tools help plumbers fix leaks, install new pipes, and keep water flowing where it should. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.